have got a set list, we're just discussing it. How do you feel about a cover?
Yeah.
Nick, do you want to come and sing? Huh? Do you want to come and sing? Sit down. He doesn't think he's talking himself out of a job there.
Go on, Nick.
It's a cover of a James song that we all know. I'm sure we will all know it, called "Sit Down," and it's just really brilliant lyrics in this. Nick Parker! You should be doing one of your songs, really, but I don't remember it ever, so it's fine. Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. Do you want me to change that? This is so rehearsed. So this is Nick Parker. Nick Parker is an amazing musician who also has a band, Nick Parker and the False Alarm. So if you haven't heard of him or been to see him, book tickets for something now, because honestly, he's amazing. No pressure there, Nick. So this is a cover of a song called "Sit Down." But the lyrics, we all kind of hear this song as very, very upbeat, but it's just a really moving song about somebody's struggle, but dressed up in a kind of jumpy dance song. Oh, that's overdoing child safety there, Woody. Right, Winter? Yeah?
I sing myself to sleep, a song from the darkest hour, secrets that I can't keep inside of the day. I swing from high to deep, extremes of sweet and sour. I hope that God exists, I hope, I pray. Drawn by the undertow, my life is out of control. I believe this wave will bear my weight, so let it flow. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down. Sit down next to me. Sit down, 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 in sympathy. Now I'm relieved to hear that you've been to some far out places. It's hard to carry on when you feel all alone. The wisdom that I seek has been found in the strangest places. It feels a lot like love that I feel for you. And now I've swung back down again, and it's worse than it was before. If I hadn't seen such riches, I could live with being poor. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down. Sit down next to me. Sit down, 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 in sympathy.
We have Semantics do a little rap here, but we don't know it, unfortunately.
Those who feel the breath of sadness, sit down next to me. Those who find they're touched by madness, sit down next to me. Those who find themselves ridiculous, sit down next to me. In love and fear and hate and tears in love.
throat there for that song, if no one noticed.
I think that little croak in your throat was a physical breath of sadness.
Yeah, I do, I agree. Thanks, Ab.